First-time DWI in New York, penalties, license consequences, and your defense options. A single night can change everything when a DWI arrest puts your license, your finances, and your permanent record on the line. In New York, a first-time DWI is a misdemeanor under Vehicle and Traffic Law, Section 1192, triggered when a driver's BAC reaches .08 or higher, or when other evidence like slurred speech or failed field sobriety tests points to intoxication. Unlike a simple traffic ticket, a misdemeanor conviction creates a permanent criminal record that follows you long after the case is closed. The penalties for a standard first DWI include fines between $500 and $1,000, up to 1 year in jail, mandatory ignition interlock device installation, and a minimum 6-month license revocation. If your BAC was .18 or higher, the charge escalates to aggravated DWI under VTL Section 1192-2A, bringing fines up to $2,500 and a license revocation of at least 1 year. Beyond the fines, New York adds a mandatory surcharge package and a $750 DMV driver responsibility assessment, meaning total out-of-pocket costs routinely exceed $1,500 before attorney fees. Your license faces a separate battle at the DMV, which imposes its own revocation independently of whatever the criminal court decides, and strict deadlines apply to request a hearing. An experienced attorney who understands both the courtroom and the traffic stop itself can examine every procedural detail of your arrest to identify where officers may have made mistakes. Attorney Randall F. Inniss served for more than 2 decades as a New York State trooper and worked as a Certified Breathalyzer Operator, personally conducting or participating in over 100 DWI arrests before becoming a lawyer. That law enforcement background gives him an insider's understanding of exactly how field sobriety tests and breath testing procedures are supposed to be performed, and where those protocols are frequently violated. As a Hudson Valley DWI lawyer with over 25 years of practice and an LL.M in criminal law, he brings both academic depth and real-world investigative insight to every case he handles. Drivers in Orange County communities like Middletown and Wallkill, as well as Suffern in Rockland County, face these charges regularly, and having a law firm that knows the local courts and DMV process makes a meaningful difference. Call the Inniss firm, PLLC, at 845-470-4236, located at 280 NY 211, Suite 203, Middletown, New York 10940, to schedule your consultation and start building your defense today.